Oops, sorry. Sorry. That was.
Driving to the point.
I've been repairing my sunny just to make sure it stays up.
Good news, the blueberries have cleared the bridge, everyone.
Watch out, you're somebody dude. You pulling in front of my tank.
Enemy soldier down.
Is this for the victory or is this for hold them?
If we take this point, I think it's for the victory.
Sunday will hit you.
Well, we need to lose 3 territories to lose a VP? This is for the victory, guys.
Space is behind us. Super.
I'm coming.